Catherine Bernardo update. Yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram. Ang sabi ni Catherine, hi, December. And siyempre, dahil December na. And new hair look ngayon ni Catherine. And nagpa-short hair siya. And bagay na bagay kay Catherine. Kahit anong style ng kanyang hair. Ang dalang-dalang ni Catherine. Iba talaga pag maganda. Ito pa yung IG story ni Catherine. Dahil linggo ngayon, Sunday, family day, ang ganda ng pamilya Bernardo. Ito, for anchor lang, sa post ni Catherine.
I always dare to take bigger and bolder chances when it comes to my career, my personal life, and of course, my investments. It's good to be daring, pero syempre, dapat hindi tayo maging reckless. We need to find the perfect balance of being open to changes and being smart while doing it. It's good to have a solid strategy and be aware of all factors involved. If you're informed and educated, you're not afraid. That's why I'm confident in exploring new and exciting options. What I love most is that you get to invest in a condo and also gain hassle-free earnings from the hotel business managed by Anchorland. Plus, may free nights ka pa to stay at any of their locations, which are all the best vacation spots, like Boracay, Coron, San Vicente, and so much more. That's exactly how I can be smart and daring in my investments. Kaya if you're daring enough to make bigger and bolder moves too, invest early and earn early because your property is your business. Dare to choose your investment with Anchorland.
Catherine Bernardo for Anchorland. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Nature Reaction Vlog by guys Team for what?